Hey there, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the factory radio on a 1999 to 2000 Civic. If you have an earlier model, I'm sure you can still follow along with this video. It might be slightly different, might be a couple different bolts and stuff and clips, but I'm sure it's pretty similar across all EK/EJ models. I have a new aftermarket radio that I'm going to try and put in here. You want to go under the glove box, remove this bolt and this bolt on this side. They're 8mm, or you can use a crescent head screwdriver. Now after you've taken that second bolt out, the glove box will just drop down. The next step with the glove box out is now you have to go ahead and take out this bolt, and this bolt under the cigarette lighter. Now there's one more screw in the middle, it's just right there, it's the golden one. You just unscrew the golden screw that's right here, and it will come right out. The screw's not here in the video because I've already taken it out, but there'll be a gold one. You can go over to underneath the steering wheel where you're going to take off 1, 2 in this corner here, and then 3 up here. If you have a different trim model, you'll have like real buttons and stuff here. There might be some, other stuff, but in this base model, the CXI, there's no buttons and stuff, so it's just this screw. After you've taken out all those screws, this will just pop right off. Sometimes it gets a bit stuck. My clip was stuck in, so I just put this in here and I slid it directly up. Keep in mind I did not pry back and forth. That's how you snap it. Don't do that. You snap the plastic just straight up, directly up. Having the same issue with the clip on this side, so again I'm just going to slide straight across. I'm not going to pry it, just straight across, so that, and then eventually it'll just get to the point where you can just pop it off like that. Perfect. Now that you've gotten this panel off, there's going to be cords connected to there. I'm just leaving my panel on the ground. I'm not disconnecting those. You probably can, but I'm a coward and I'm scared that when I turn the car back on, the airbags are going to go off. I don't even know if that has anything to do with the airbags, but I'm just a little bit of a scaredy cat, so I'm just going to leave that on the floor for now while I finish the rest. Now we're going to go ahead and undo this bolt here and this bolt up here, right? That's going to allow us to finish taking off this piece that we're unscrewing before. Now when you're taking this part out, be careful because for one, there's wires connected to here. It's your cigarette lighter. And also it's not just a yank straight out. It's kind of like a up and out at a diagonal type of thing, like that way when you pull it out. Okay, this is now completely off. This is just like your standard clip. You just push this part in right there. You see that? Just push that in and then just wiggle it out. Be careful because they are pretty old cars. You don't want to accidentally break any wires. You're going to get underneath of here and you're going to see that there's... Sorry to interrupt here, but I noticed the video that I took wasn't the clearest, so I've got a picture right up here where you can very clearly see the 2 bolts circled in red. You're just going to extremely carefully wiggle this out, and it should come out no problem after you've removed those bolts. Just very gently. You get the picture. That's the end of that. I'm furious because mine does not fit. I've just found out. It doesn't even have like the right plugs and stuff. So I'm going to have to put everything all back together again, put the factory head unit back in, and then either order another one that does fit or just take the car somewhere, because I found out to put this one in, I'm going to have to like splice wires and like mix them together and stuff. That's not up my alley. I don't know how to do any of that. And I don't want to try because I don't want to mess anything up bad because I don't really have money to fix any big mistakes. So yeah, hopefully yours does fit though. The video still serves its purpose because the whole point was how to get it out. Hopefully yours fits. So I'm still going to post this even though this didn't end up fitting, because I mean, I'll be damned if I did all of that work and then I have nothing to show for it. So I'll still post this video, and yeah.